What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a while. I am currently back in work and I'm currently back in college, so yes, it's hard to kind of juggle everything all together. Today we're going to go back and discuss Webull. Now Webull is the platform we use to gain a deeper understanding and knowledge about particular stocks. We don't use it for buying and selling. We use Revolut on this channel. It's good to get back into Webull and we can get more comfortable with it and things like that. One question by Johnny Macmillan: is it possible to manually input on Webull points where you've previously bought stock on Revolut to keep track of how it's doing? So basically what he's trying to say is there, when you buy a stock on Revolut, it pops up on the graph when you've bought it, how many shares you've bought. You can do this manually on Webull. You go to the toolbox and there will be an add text there and you can put that into your graph. So if you're using Webull to actually trade, buy and sell, it will probably pop up on the graph. But for us, unfortunately, it's not that way because Webull is only allowed in the US or China. Another question by MLR: how do you know if a share is going up or down? Now, if we all knew the share price was going up or down, we'd be millionaires by now. So it is based on your prediction. So you base your prediction on the research you do into that company. You base your prediction on the daily news of the market, and you base your prediction on the technical analysis and the financials of the company. You won't know for certain, but you can do the best prediction that you can in order for you to actually make money. So thanks for them questions. Now moving on. So today in Webull we're going to discuss 3 or 4 different companies that I think are interesting right now. So the first company we're going to talk about is NIO. NIO is one of my favorite companies in the stock market in the last few months. I'm heavily invested in NIO. Now I bought NIO when it was $6. $6. I thought it was expensive then. NIO is gone up in the last few months to a high of $29.40. Now that is absolutely crazy. We've talked about NIO in depth before in previous videos, so I won't get into that too much. All I will say is whoever has jumped on NIO, when I told them to jump on it, clap clap to ye, happy days. A lot of people are asking me, is it too expensive right now? Just think in relation what it actually could be in 2 years. Like, could it be $300, could be $400 a share? You have to think about that. You think it's expensive now? 2 years later, you'll see how expensive it is. I won't say much more about NIO, but this is seriously one that interests me anyway. Moving on to Fiverr, FVRR, ticker symbol. Now, what is Fiverr? So I discussed this in our Facebook discussion group, Revolut Trading Our Journey. I posted a post in August just asking for everybody's opinion and why it's interesting me. So Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. So basically Fiverr provides a platform for freelancers to offer their services to customers worldwide, whether it's digital marketing or writing a CV or cleaning out someone's attic. The reason why it interests me is it's in relation to COVID. So we look at the COVID numbers right now. The COVID cases are at an all-time high right now. This is the second wave, like I discussed before. This is the second wave. It's coming, it's here. Fiverr is thriving in these circumstances. 85,000 cases in October 23rd in the US. You know yourself, all these businesses are closing, not going to open again. Jobs are now getting more tighter. So Fiverr offers an opportunity for people who've lost their jobs to gain a bit more cash online and connecting straight to customers. When I posted this back in August, Fiverr was at $110 per share, and since that post 2 months ago, it is now at $160 with a high of 184. It's on a serious pullback right now. You can see in the RSI indicator it's at a 35%, so that is really, really low. So yeah guys, I do see big potentials in this company if COVID does not go away anytime soon. So moving on to another company. The third company that interests me right now is called Livent, ticker symbol LTHM. Now Livent is a chemically manufacturing company that specializes in lithium. Now lithium, as you know, powers most batteries, most electric cars, so it is connected to the EV market. With the rise of the EV market, Livent is going to follow with it. When I found this company, it was at $6. It has now hit a high of $12.53 and is now at $10.60, so there is a bit of a pullback. Has a market capital of about $1.5 billion, so it is a relatively small company and it doesn't have any dividends. Definitely one to watch because it is going to follow the EV market it's connected to supply and demand. So more demand for the lithium will increase the price of the stock. Now moving on to another important topic, which is the US elections. Now, so it is 8 days until the election. So Biden is currently dominating the polls at 51%, and Donald Trump, the Republican, is at a 43%. So if Biden wins the election, it will have an effect on the stock market. So if Joe Biden wins the election, corporation tax is going to go from 21% to 28%. Now what's this mean for the stock market? Basically there's going to be a reaction to this, and the stock market will probably fall. And also another important thing is for all you dividend investors out there, as corporations have less money to pay back to their shareholders in the form of dividends, and will also have less money to fund their growth. So if Joe Biden wins, that will have a big impact on the stock market. And if Donald Trump wins, personally I feel the stock market will be less affected. Another thing to discuss is the comeback of Rona. The second wave is here, so what we've seen in February could actually happen again. So for me personally, I will be treading lightly when it comes to buying and selling stocks in the next couple of weeks. On top of that, with the elections, so it is pretty volatile at the moment. Now before I leave you go, I'll be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, just show appreciation for your support. I'm not too sure what the price should be yet, but comment down below what you think the price should be, and as soon as we hit the 1,000 subs, I'll get straight to that. Yeah, so guys, let me know what you think about the upcoming elections. Who do you think is going to win? How's it going to affect the stock market? Did you jump on NEO? If you did, happy days. Let me know in the comments below. Next week's video, we are going to discuss terminology. We're going to go back to the basics, get a bit more knowledge into us, and we'll rock on from there. Thanks for the support, and with that said, I will see you later.